Once again, welcome to this channel. This is Alfredo Keys. Today our song is Esther Smith's Somnuye. Yeah, Somnuye. And it was actually done in the key of E flat. It was done in the original key is E flat, but I've transposed to key F just to help my F players. So I didn't do it in the original key. I transposed from E flat to F, so it is -2. When you are playing in F, it is -2. So that is the key of the song. It was done by, it was produced by Maurice Babyface, and he did some magic on the keys. And today we are here to break it down exactly as he did it. So as I said earlier, it was done in the key of E flat, but I've transposed to F. So this is the tone is accordion. I use the accordion, and then I use the grand piano to do the backing on the left. So it was do fa so do so do fa so fa so. Do fa so do so do fa so fa so. Do fa so do so do fa so fa so. So la ti re do ti. So la ti re do ti. La ti do fa so do ti. La ti do fa so. So do fa so do so do fa so la ti re ti do ti la ti do fa so do ti do fa so do so do fa so do fa so do so do fa so la ti re ti do ti la ti do fa so do ti, and then you start again. So this is what you'll be playing throughout the song. This do fa so, do so, do fa so, do so, do fa so, and then so la ti re, do ti la ti do fa so do ti, and then you come back to your do fa so, do so, do fa so, do fa so, do so, do fa so, la ti re ti do ti la ti do fa so do ti do fa so do so do fa so do fa so do so do fa so la ti re ti do ti la ti do fa so do ti. So that's the whole thing. And then with the left it was do so fa so do. So it is with the backing on the left. To so to fa. So that was it. And then with the right two with this do fa so do so do fa so la ti re ti do ti la ti do fa so do ti. So putting the backing and the right together it is so you play the do together, this one. And then from do we are going to so. So la ti re ti do ti. So this do so fa so la ti re ti do ti la ti do. Sorry. So this so and the so here will go together. So la ti do fa do so. Do so do fa so la so la ti re ti do ti la ti do fa so. So that's the whole thing. So we're doing this again. Alright, so it will take a little time before you can play it fluently like this. So when you start and it's not working, don't quit. Just keep on rehearsing, keep on trying. Especially with the hand coordination. Just keep on trying. You feel like quitting when you try one or two and it's not working out. Don't quit. Just keep on trying and then start very slowly. Very slow. You shouldn't rush. So you start it very slow. So that's the end of today's video. Please subscribe if this is your first time here, and then make sure you turn on the notification so that anytime you post any video you'll be notified. Thank you. Keep practicing. That is the only secret. Keep practicing. It might take you weeks or months before you can play fluently, but just keep practicing. That is the only secret. Keep practicing. Thank you. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep commenting, and then remember to subscribe. So until our next video, thank you. Bye bye.